just so you know. Walmart had eggs, 90% a dozen, extra large. So I know they're not cage-free eggs and all that, like I used to buy brown eggs, but you know, I just couldn't pass that up. I really couldn't. So yeah, about 2 dozen, 90% each. So I did all boiled eggs. I'm gonna make some tuna salad for next week for lunch. I might add some pasta, because you know all that pasta I got from the Dollar Tree. I still didn't find containers for it. I got my turkey tail from the meat market. These are for the greens I'm gonna make. I'm gonna put, got bell pepper. This is what I put in my greens. Bell pepper, jalapeno pepper. I had to wash all of that, rinse it off. This is the snapper I bought. It's a nice size. I was gonna get 2, but then I said, you know what? It's just really, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do them some other kind of fish if I fry up some, but it's the red snapper. I'm gonna let it defrost and just cut it up. Maybe, I'll probably get like 5 pieces out of it. And I'm gonna cook that. I might have that for dinner, I don't know. Then from the meat department, from the meat market, I also got some chicken wings. It's 2 pounds. I'm just gonna freeze these right now, because I don't think I'm gonna cook them. Not today anyway. Then I don't know if you ever do it or have ever done it, but I do all the time. You see all this? This is chicken, but it's only 2 leg quarters. This is two leg quarters. I get it cut up in curry style. So he cuts it up in real small pieces. And look, you get all this. You can make like chicken and rice soup or chicken and rice. Curry chicken. But what I used to do, I just leave them like this, and I rinse them and season them, and I put them in my air fryer. So instead of like the wingettes, you have small pieces of chicken that you fry, and it's an easier eat. It's easier, a smaller bite, as you would say, or some would say. But I'm gonna put that away. I got some other stuff. I'll be back. I bought a coffee maker. I had to. It was like Walmart was speaking to me today. With the eggs, 94 cents a dozen. Then I go in, they got coffee makers on display. And it's not, it's not a Mr. Coffee. It's a mainstay. But it was only $9.88. So I was like, you know what? It's only 5 cups. It holds 5 cups. That's perfect for me. So, bought me a coffee maker. Keurig is going to have to be put aside. Although he did work this morning. But it's too unreliable. See how your mama do? She always bring you groceries. Something. Keep your little ass happy. And I bought the greens already cut up. Back in the day I never would do that, because I would wanted to make sure I knew what I was cutting up. But I'm like, what's the difference? You're still gonna rinse them and clean them anyway. So anything that you normally would cut up or look at, because we would inspect the greens and look for worms or something and rinse it off and then cook them. But even if you cut up a worm, I know it sounds gross, you're still gonna rinse them. And you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna rinse that off. So I bought, needless to say, I bought 2 bags of these pre-cut. Save me some time. So I'm gonna do those later. And I got bought a head of lettuce. I was gonna get a bag of salad mix, but it lasts longer when you buy it in the head. So to me it does. In the bag it doesn't last as long. And I bought me some sandwich meat. So sandwiches is not, hey, Don't no judgment. They only 58 cents a pack, and they only. This pack is only 100 calories. I can put this whole pack of corned beef on my sandwich. And yes, what is it? Yes, corned beef. So this is what I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of these. For sandwiches and salad on top of my salad as well. Next week for lunch or whatever, dinner. I bought some ground turkey for my meal prep. No. Oh wait, I thought I bought 2 turkey sausages. But I bought 2 packs of ground turkey. Perfect. For my meal preps. These are $1.66 at the mart. At the mart. So and I bought turkey sausage. For, you know, for the egg scrambles or egg muffins. I might make some egg white muffins. I used to do that all the time. And very good for breakfast. Quick. High protein. Low in calories. Is that it? No, I still got 2 more bags on the floor I gotta pick up. And I bought me an ice. I bought some more creamer. Not pumpkin spice. I had pumpkin spice. Then I went back to French vanilla. I mean, I can only drink that so much. After a while, I get tired of it. So, stick that in here. I bought some garlic. I found some garlic powder I've been looking for. You know, they didn't have it. I don't know if you saw that in that vlog when I was at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find it there, so I found some at Walmart. I bought Baby some more wet food to go along with her dry. And I bought, these are favorites. I used to buy these for my kids all the time when they were small. And I needed a good snack to go along with my sandwich at work when I take it for lunch or something. Or just when I'm home and I'm hungry. That will work perfectly. One more bag on the floor I gotta pick up. I bought some trash bags and toilet paper. And I bought some more Kleenex. My grandkids go through this like it's nothing. Which is that time of year. Sniffle, so I think that's it, guys. So now I gotta put some stuff up, set some stuff up, and get some stuff on. I will see you in my next video.